beautiful. Today I'm gonna do a Luxe Bidet Neo 180 review. It's summer in Hawaii, it's hot. I'm starting to sweat. So I thought it'd be nice to finally install a bidet. I put a shout out on Facebook asking you guys for your feedback and your recommendations about what to get, either a handheld bidet or a toilet bidet. From that, I did my research. This is what I picked. The Luxe Bidet Neo 180. The price was not that bad, although compared to the handheld bidet, there was a huge difference. I still went with the toilet bidet simply because in terms of handheld bidets, I read a lot of reviews. Some of them were bordering on pipes breaking or leakage. And I knew that would just, in the long run, that might, you know, require plumbing expertise. First of all, a lot of people say that it takes maybe around 10 minutes to install. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, first off, you've got one kit right here. This looks like your everything kit. And you have your toilet seat slip-on accessory here. Then it comes with a little manual. This is nice, it's very compact. These are your sprayers. Oh, okay. These are your knobs. We have a cleaning nozzle right there. And then your wash for women right there. Go on that side. Push down for off, pull up for on. So it goes like this. That's for off, this is for on. During use, the nozzle drops down below me to spray. You only need to open me when you want to access the nozzles for thorough cleaning. You can tell the plastic's kind of cheap and lightweight, but I feel like a lot of them are like this just because, you know, this is not the toilet seat itself. This seems sturdy. Got 2 plastic wrenches. I guess one if you mess up or you lose it. Okay, you have this fitting right here. Then you have plumber's tape right there. So on the whole, this seems to come with everything that you might possibly need to install this. Check out this and see. I have the Neo 180, which comes with a self-cleaning nozzle. Okay, there are single nozzles and there are dual nozzles. The one that I have is a dual nozzle, and that's for the feminine wash. Step 1, shut off all the water, remove the toilet seat, mount the bidet on the toilet, and then reattach your old toilet seat. Okay, here we go. Here is our toilet. It's a little bit of an old toilet, so I hope things fit. Okay, what's shutting? Oh, is that shut? Or is that shut? Oh my god, which is shut? That, maybe that's shut right there. It looks really horrible, but it's like over 20 years old. Okay, so it's not refilling. Woohoo, I'm feeling success already. Feeling success already. Until I hit my first roadblock. Okay, this took me a while to do because I kept on screwing, hoping that I could just like lift up the lid, but it's actually a tricky little pop in and slide out thing. I think that in the future, trying to get it back in, yeah, you see right there? That means there's definitely a catch to that little clip. Possible unforeseen challenge, but let's power through this. So much for 10 minutes. We were already on 13 minutes. Install that right there. Damn it. I don't know how this bidet cover is supposed to fit onto the toilet. I don't know where it's supposed to attach and how to put my toilet seat back on. Okay, thank you, Carter Fitness. I guess this is the screw. Ah, okay. Clarity. I'm a much better solo traveler than I am a plumber or a toilet seat. Why can't that just lay flat? Why? Okay, I'm getting into bitchy mode right now. I'm gonna want to make sure that these little thingies right here are free from scraping the toilet. So that means adjusting this a little more forward. And I remember you want these things pretty flush, and right now it's not wanting to act flush. Damn you. Okay, let's see. So there we go. I'm going to put the toilet seat back on. Gotta make sure it touches. And installation, I bet you a lot of those installation videos, they edit it. Edit all this crap out. Oh, there. I'm such a genius. Here we go. Now there is, oh darn it, yep. As I read in the reviews, there's a little lift. You're seeing right here, it's not laying flush. There's a bumper right here from our old toilet seat, and it's just not flush, which means I would probably want to get like another bumper. And on the directions, it says that Luxe Bidet sends free bumpers if you need them. I need them. That's kind of scary. I don't like that. I don't know why they don't just like pack it in there knowingly, knowing that people need bumpers because it's going to lift their toilet seat up. I don't know why. It's probably just to save money. Yep. Nope, it does not sit flush. Now the real fun part begins. Not looking forward to this one. Now, right here we've got the T adapter. This has like a little rubber insert right there. And you need to make sure it's going to go in. That's where we're going to put it up to the toilet tank. I won't lie, I'm very nervous about this part. This part could go wrong. That's why I had to read instructions like past this installation, like the entire set of instructions first, so that I don't miss a step and I know what's coming next. I still might miss a step. Which way does it open? Do you even know how to use a wrench? Sometimes I wondered this myself. There we go. Whee, that's why they say drain the tank first. Okay. So the chunky part goes up to the top, and the not chunky part goes into the bottom. So male to female, female to male, right there. As my dad would say, male to female. Or I think that's what they say in production too. Male to female. Now we have this. This is going to go in here. I got it right. Oh, no, I don't. That's why I never use your camera to look into these things. You think you're being smart, and you're really not. Okay, that looks like it's caught. Then I guess you just go. Okay, now to hook it up. I think that's it. Well, no, I still need to turn the water back on and try it, test it out. Turn it back on. Oh, no. Okay, no, that's obviously not tightened. It wasn't screwed all the way in. Whew. Stressful. Ooh, what is that? Okay, that's the self-washing feature. Okay, now to put it into action. This is a very thrilling moment right now because it means I've successfully extracted parts of my travel into my home and under my bum. Kind of afraid right now just because that chute looked really powerful. Wash. Not bad. I've got to wiggle around a little. Let's do the feminine wash. Let's see how far it reaches. I think to get the feminine wash, you gotta scooch back in your seat just a little. Pleasant, very pleasant. The velocity of the chute is not as powerful as I've seen some of it in videos. What I've seen in videos look really scary, just because it looks like it could like tear your butt off. But this is kind of nice. It's like a nice gentle stream. I'm not sure if it's the water saver in our toilet or the fact that it's just, you know, Hawaii water. Okay, so it took me about 1 hour and 10 minutes to fully install. I'm still testing it to see whether or not it leaks on a regular basis, but this is what it is. Now, my Luxe Neo 180 review. How does it fare after a month? I realized that, yes, I love that it's self-cleaning. I love that I can adjust because that thing shoots hard. I can get those bits off. And I know, before you guys say anything, because I know it's TMI, but I know there's some of you guys out there who, after you're done with your business, you look down below to see how you did. Well, when I look down below, I notice there's bits, and I like it a lot. But after a month of using it, there are times I realize that when I like adjust myself and I'm a little off, then that water shot goes right up my bum and I feel like I'm getting an enema. With the feminine wash, sometimes if I don't adjust that thing, like the pressure just right, then I shoot myself a little too hard and I feel like I'm getting a feminine douche. So even though I love you, my newly installed seat bidet, right now I'm taking a break from it and I'm using the toilet paper. I will probably be going back to my bidet you know, occasionally when it gets hot and steamy and humid here. That's how it's been going. I won't say it's a deal breaker. I will say it's good to have a bidet. I love having it, but I love having a choice of using it. I still kind of feel like I might have missed the boat with the handheld bidet. I still think the Luxe Neo 180 is a good deal when you buy it. Let me know in the comments section below what you want to try. Handheld bidet sprayer versus toilet seat bidet, which one is best? And if you want to go for the toilet, which I totally understand too. So let me know how you're spending your lockdown, your shelter in place, your quarantine during this time, and check out some more of my videos.
It's through resourcefulness and viewers like you who keep my channel going. So if you love what I do and want to see me continue creating solo travel videos, why not support me on Patreon?